Hi, peoples. It is Mimi, and
Lene.
that is
I'm
Lene. And we are going to be starting a new YouTube channel, and it's called Just Sweets, and we will be just baking and
sweets and stuff. So, yeah, we don't know what day we're going to be able to do it. Stop looking at me like that.
Probably Fridays.
No. Yeah, mostly Fridays, because she's here throughout the week, but she's not here on weekends, and we're going to be starting school soon, so it's going to be kind of hard to make videos.
Yeah, so we're just going to be trying to make all the videos in like one bunch, and then we'll just post them little by little as we go into school.
And if we were going to do them on the weekends, she likes to do sports or cheerleading and softball, so
not doing cheerleading. Whatever.
You know, well, she does.
We'll just be doing a lot of stuff, so we'll be really busy. So we won't be doing that many videos when school starts, but like weekends and such, we might be doing them and then just posting them later. So in the subscription, right?
No.
Is it right?
No.
Oh, okay, whatever. Okay, I'll restart.
Comment.
Okay, restart.
You just comment.
Okay. Yes. Okay.
Just comment, and so we're gonna do some challenges. Not in the subscription.
In the comment box, not
in the comments.
Oh yeah. We'll be having like special guests
sometimes. Mostly our
sometimes.
friends.
Yeah.
We're not as famous to know any famous people.
Yeah, not that much, but there is our friend's YouTube channel. It's JEJ Girls. Her name's Emma, Jaslyn, and Janessa. So make sure to follow or subscribe to their channel.
And also to us.
To us. We'll be doing a lot of baking, like cookies and cupcakes and all. And our next video is going to be making red velvet cupcakes. So yeah, everything is going to be homemade, as far as I know.
Probably not. We're probably just going to use a bunch of box stuff. And then put
I know, but
frosting
I
on it.
promise you, this recipe
This
is
first
homemade.
recipe is going to be homemade because she got the
I got it from somewhere. Secret.
So yeah, that's pretty much it.
We'll just be doing a lot of challenges. Please, no Bean Boozled. We have done that challenge so many times, and
I know you want to see us suffer.
Yeah, suffering
but
is
not today.
Not this time. But we can also do like Oreo challenge. It's not so bad. 7-second challenge.
Burger challenge.
Burger challenge?
Yeah, you get different burgers from different restaurants, and you have to guess which ones they are.
What if they have mayonnaise on them?
You don't ask for mayonnaise. You don't have to.
Yeah, but then okay.
They don't really put mayonnaise on regular burgers.
Burger King.
Yeah,
okay, sorry, but I don't like
Burger King.
Yeah, I only like their french
fries. She doesn't like mayonnaise. We're getting ahead of her.
Okay.
No.
But enough of my
getting back to the
We're getting back to the channel. We'll just be doing a bunch of challenges. So please subscribe down below. I think I got that right. And be sure to follow our friend Emma at Judge Girls. Okay. And this is Just Sweets.
Girls. All right.
And if you don't feel like commenting down below, you can just email us at justsweets0203@gmail.com. Okay. Any last words?
No, just
okay, then
just
goodbye.
end it.